women's like going on holiday bikini with like the see-through skirty fabric thing. You get what I mean? So I said, hang on, Toe, give us a minute. I went behind the van and I took all my clothes off and put it on and walked out with it.
What? You did not tell me about that. Your other girlfriend, possibly. You didn't tell me. I'd have remembered.
Do you want to just lean in?
Yeah.
Great, thanks.